how much should you actually spend on air fryer cleaning tools? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, air fryer cheat sheet magnets. First up, we have the air fryer cheat sheet magnets from Momo and Nashi. Priced at just $8.87, this product caught my eye for its promise to simplify air frying. If you want to master air frying without the guesswork, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cheat sheet features over 120 foods across 5 helpful categories, giving you quick access to cooking times and temperatures. It's made of durable, waterproof plastic and can easily hang on your fridge, so you have it right where you need it. Plus, it offers both Celsius and Fahrenheit readings, which is great for anyone who loves precise cooking. With over 1,000 sold in the last month, it's clear that many are finding this handy. Now, some people complained about it being too small for larger kitchens. Here's the thing though, for most air fryer users, the size is just right for quick references and won't take up much space. It's perfect for beginners or anyone wanting to get a quick grip on their air fryer. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who loves to have handy guides while cooking. Skip this one if you're looking for a more extensive recipe book or detailed cooking instructions. At this price, it's a steal for the value it brings. Now, if you want even deeper cleaning options, the next product takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Newen Fryer Cleaning Tool Set. Next up, we have Newen's 3 pieces fryer cleaning tool set. At $35.99, this is geared towards serious air fryer enthusiasts. If you're tired of struggling to keep your fryer clean, this is worth a serious look. These tools include an L-shaped cleaning brush, a fryer basket cleaning brush, and a deep cleanout rod, all designed with high-density brass bristles that can withstand temperatures up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can clean it right after use without waiting for it to cool down. The long handles make it easy to reach even the most stubborn spots in your fryer. Ratings are still coming in, but with over 100 sold recently, it's clear some folks are keen on keeping their fryers spotless. Now, some users have mentioned the brushes might be a bit too stiff for delicate surfaces, which could be a concern. But here's the deal. If you're dealing with tough, baked-on grease, that extra stiffness is actually a bonus. Just be cautious with sensitive surfaces and you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you're someone who frequently uses your air fryer and wants to maintain it well. Skip it if you're looking for a quick clean or just use your fryer occasionally. In terms of value, it's a solid investment for long-term maintenance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more compact. Product number 3, Infraoven's Grill Brush Air Fryer Brush. Priced at $6.99, this little tool caught my attention for its compact size and versatility. If you want a simple yet effective way to clean your air fryer racks, this is worth a serious look. This brush is made from premium 304 stainless steel and features a wooden handle, allowing you to clean your fryer racks without scratching them up. It's designed for smaller grill types, like your air fryer and toaster oven, which makes it perfect for those tight spaces. With over 50 sold recently, it's gaining traction for its quality and practicality. However, some users reported it's not as effective on heavily soiled racks. But here's the thing. For regular maintenance after light use, it performs like a champ. Just keep a more robust tool handy for the really tough jobs, and you'll be set. This is perfect for you if you want a handy tool that's easy to store and great for light cleaning. Skip this if your air fryer sees a lot of action and needs heavy-duty cleaning. For the price, it's a great addition to your cleaning toolkit. Now, if you're looking for a complete cleaning kit, the next product is just what you need. Product number 4, Frye 7-piece cleaning kit, which costs $14.99. This caught my eye because it offers a full set of cleaning tools for every nook and cranny of your fryer. If you want a comprehensive cleaning solution without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes various brushes and cloths to tackle stubborn grease and food residue. You get a gap brush, a small brush, and even a sponge, all made from durable materials that won't scratch your fryer. With its thoughtful design, including hanging loops for easy storage, it shows that the creators really thought about practical use.
people are loving it. It's a great buy for those who want thorough cleaning. That said, some users found the brushes could get a bit too worn out with heavy use. But here's the thing. Regular cleaning will keep everything in good shape and extend the life of these brushes. Just replace them as needed, and you'll be golden. This is perfect for you if you're serious about keeping your air fryer clean and want all the tools in one kit. Skip this if you prefer minimalistic cleaning methods or have a very occasional fryer use. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're keen on learning even more about air fryers, the last product on our list is one you won't want to miss.
Product number 5, Cosori Air Fryer Guide for Beginners, which is free on Kindle. This guide intrigued me, especially since it's designed to help you choose the right air fryer and clean it easily. If you're just starting out and want a solid foundation, this is worth a serious look. The guide covers everything from choosing the right model to cleaning tips, making it a practical resource for new users. While it's a digital product, that means you can have it right on your device anytime you need quick tips or guidance. The fact that it's free makes it a no-brainer for anyone looking to get the most out of their air fryer. Now, some may find it lacks depth compared to more comprehensive cookbooks, but honestly, for beginners, it provides a fantastic launching point without overwhelming you. It's perfect for getting you started on the right foot. This is perfect for you if you're new to air frying and want to learn the basics without spending money. Skip it if you're already an air frying pro and looking for advanced techniques. You can't beat the value of a free guide.
So, there you have it. From the handy cheat sheet magnets to specialized cleaning kits, each product offers unique benefits for keeping your air fryer clean and efficient. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, there's something here for everyone. Happy air frying!